Okay, what's the genotype?
Enid Matamiro quizzes her 15-year-old daughter, Sarah.
An adaptation is the inherited traits.
Sarah is a good student, but when she was younger, she struggled.
When she would count, she would always go 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and it's like I couldn't figure out why she never said 14.
It turns out Sarah had trouble processing sound, but it took a while to figure that out.
You ready to get started?
Had a new test called Biomap been around when Sarah was in grade school, her problem could have been diagnosed much quicker.
Last one.
3 electrodes are used to monitor the brain's response to a pattern of sounds that children hear while watching a movie.
And this is the response to sound.
Researchers get results almost immediately. Based on brainwave patterns, researchers can tell whether the child accurately processes the sound.
The black line represents a response from a normal child, and the red is from a child with a reading problem. The child with a reading problem has a delay on the order of fractions of milliseconds.
But Krause says that's enough to make learning difficult for children like Sarah. That's why early detection is key. Sarah knows that firsthand.
It just makes it easier to figure out what the problem is and like how to cope with it.
Now the Matamiros are doing just fine.
The only way you can have a recessive is if it's two recessive traits.
This is Jennifer Matthews reporting.
Because you have to have very specific ones, or is just phenotype eye color?